Hey everyone. Well, Saturday morning and just washed my hair. Actually, just colored the gray even. And I had let the dogs in the backyard and decided to leave that back sliding door cracked a little bit. And so I was on the computer and I suddenly heard a lot of chirping. And I said, that sounds like baby birds. So I grabbed the phone camera and started walking over towards the kitchen door, trying to be as quiet as possible. Unfortunately, my two dogs had to traipse behind me, and so I didn't catch the bird, the parent bird, at the nest, but when I stuck the phone out through the crack of the door, I could see what looked like the daddy bird sitting off to the distance on the porch. So I did film that. And then I waited a little while longer, and I don't know, maybe 15 minutes later, I heard the chirping again. And I said, okay. So I went into the kitchen. I put the gate in front of the kitchen doorway so the dogs couldn't follow me in there. I sat at the bar stool. And again, unfortunately, I think it's the daddy bird, flew away. But I was determined that I was going to get one of those two parent birds at the nest feeding them. So I climbed up into the bar stool with both my legs up and balancing my hands on my knees. And I sat there maybe 10 minutes. I definitely was thinking I could not be one of those mannequin models that have to be perfectly still. I was like trying not to breathe. Okay, when I hit my finger was like right over, oops, sorry. My finger was like right over the pause. Like I started it and then I paused it. I was like, okay. And just with every breath, I think my one arm was like going like this. But dang if he didn't come back. So I've got a little clip just to show you of the back porch, the daddy at the distance, and then it looks like, again, the daddy feeding the babies. It looks like there's two heads that you can see through the fabric. And there's a part there where there's nothing going on, but I still may leave it for you because I think you can hear kind of some bird song in the background. I hope you can hear the babies cheeping. Okay? Bye, everybody.